Every step counts when it comes to safety. Letters talk about preventing slips, trips, and falls. Every step counts when it comes to safety.
Common causes of workplace accidents include wet floors, excessive clutter, and poor lighting.
Be careful, there's a spill right here. Whoa, watch your step. Are you all right?
Yeah, we need a cleanup crew at Sector 4 immediately.
Supervisor, look out. There's a spill by aisle 4.
Are you both okay? We need to secure this area right away.
Together, we can prevent slips, trips, and falls to hallways and keep our workplace safe.